Hi everyone, my name is Miss Cheney and I'm so excited to be teaching another class with you guys today. The first thing that we're going to do, we are going to center ourselves, and the best way to do that is to close our eyes and do some deep breathing. So breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Last one, breathe in, breathe out. Alrighty, let's go ahead and open our eyes. Now, I want to make sure that we're being our best selves and we're focusing our attention. And the best way to do that is to make sure that our ears are listening, our eyes are watching, our voices are quiet, and our bodies are still. Give me 2 thumbs up if you're ready to rock and roll. Alrighty, friends. So the lesson is going to be a little bit different today just because we are near the end of module. So I'm actually really just going to be reviewing a lot of things this week. So I hope that you have a pencil and a paper prepared. Again, like I always say, if I'm moving way too fast, please feel free to pause the video. I know it's really hard to give, scholars the amount of time that they deserve. But I also do not want to produce like an hour-long video. So if I'm moving too fast on something, please pause the video just to make sure that your scholar can be their best selves. All right, well, I'm ready to rock and roll. So the first thing that we're going to do, we're going to go over a number that is 1 more. A number that is what? 1 more. So when we say more, we go this way. Which way? This way. Great job. So our number increases. It goes up. All right. So what number is this? 9. 9. 1 more is 10. Great job. And I'm mixing the order up. Okay. So next one. What number is this? 11. 11, 1 more is 12. Great job. What number is this? 14. Great job. 14, 1 more is 15. Great job. What number is this? 17. 17, 1 more is 16. Oh, try to trick you. 17, 1 more is 18. Great fix, guys. I love that. Last one. What number is this? 16. Great job. 16. 1 more is 17. Great job, great job, great job. Alrighty, friends. Now what we are going to do, Miss Cheney wants you guys to just make sure that you are drawing your models correctly and neatly in your 10 frame way. So Miss Cheney's going to show you a number, and then I want you to draw that number with your circles, right? So my first number. What number is this? 16. What number is it? 16. Great job. So you guys have 1 minute and 30 seconds to draw the 16 circles. Remember, I want it in a 10 frame way. I want the circles to be neat. I do not want it to be some are small, some are big, and I want them to be lined up. All right, 16 circles, 1 minute, 30 seconds. I am finding my phone so I can start my timer. Oh, here it is back here. All right, so your 1 minute and 30 seconds starts now. Don't forget, if I'm moving way too quickly, to please feel free and pause the video. All right, so we can see. So great job to friends who are starting to write their amount. It is neat. It is not sloppy. Great job to friends who have written 16. There's 16 circles in a 10 frame way. Remember, 5 up top, 5 on the bottom. That's 10. 5 across, and then 1 more. You guys have about 40 seconds left. Make sure your circles are neat. Keep it up. I'm very proud of you guys and the hard work that you guys have done over this module. Keep it up, keep it up, keep it up. Great job. You have about 30 seconds left. 30 seconds left. About 20 seconds left. I want to give time and make sure that each scholar is able to be their best selves. So if you finished early, please just make sure that your circles are neat. They're not sloppy. They're not looking like sloppy joes. And they're lined up and that you have 16. You have about 3 seconds. All right, that is my timer. Alrighty, so this is what it should look like, right? So 16. So I have my 5 up top. I have my 5 on the bottom. I have 5 across, and I have 1, right? So let's count by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 16. All right. 5, 10, 15, 16. So that's why it's important. That's why you guys should know how to count by 5s. I know we were reviewing that before we went to spring break. All right. All right. Next number. Let's go to, what number is this? 13. Great job. Let's draw 13 circles. This time I'm going to give you 1 minute. Go. 13 circles neatly. Great job to friends who have finished. Make sure your circles are neat. They're not looking like sloppy joes. Great job. Remember, if I'm moving a little bit too quickly, to please feel free to pause the video just to make sure that your scholar can have enough time. About 30 seconds left. Great job, great job, great job. Keep it up, keep it up. About 15 seconds left. That is my timer. All right, this is what it should look like. So let's count by 5s. Go. 5, 10. Now we're counting on 11, 12, 13. Let's try that one again, all right? So you have 5, 10, 11, 12, 13. All right, so doing it this way is also helping you to count on, right? So to count quicker and to count by 5s, and then also using your 1s. And so you can know that, okay, this is your 10 group. How many 1s? You have 3. So 10, 3, right? So we know that when we have the number 13, if we're saying it the say 10 way, it would be 10, 3. Right? So 10, here's your group of 10 right here, and then there's your 3. Alrighty? We're going to move on to, what number is this? 15. Great job. This time I'm going to give you 45 seconds. Again, if you need to pause the video to make sure that your scholar can have the enough time, please feel free to do that. 15 circles. Let's go. Great job to friends who are working so hard. Now about 20 seconds left. Great job to friends who have their circles clear and neat. They don't look like sloppy joes. There's 5 up top, 5 on the bottom, and then there's another group of 5 that matches the number 15. Keep it up, keep it up, keep it up. About 5 seconds left. Alrighty, that is my timer. Oh, there we go. Alrighty, so let's count by 5s. Go. 5, 10, 15. Let's do it again. 5, 10, 15. All right. So this number is 15. Let's say it the say 10 way. 10, 5. 10 is right here. 5 is over there, friends. 10, 5. All right. Let's do the last one. What number is this? 20. Great job. Let's go ahead and write your 20 circles. Let's do 40 seconds starting now. Great job to friends. Remember, if I'm moving way too fast, please feel free to pause the video. About 20 seconds left. About 5 seconds left. So this is what yours should look like, right? You have 20. Let's count by fives. 5, 10, 15, 20. Let's do it again. 5, 10, 15, 20. Alrighty. If we look at this number 20, if we say it the say 10 way, is 210. What is it? 210, right? So you have two tens. One 10 right here, another 10 right here. Do you have any ones? Nope, nope, nope. You only have two tens, all right? Alrighty, friends. That is it for that one. So now what we're going to do, we're going to kind of do like a fill in the blank, but with number bonds. So keep the same pencil and paper that you have. Miss Cheney's going to show you some number bonds, and I want you to be able to fill in the missing part, right? So if this is my number bond, what number is my whole? 12. What number is my whole? 12. Great job. Alrighty. So if this is... Man, this should have been over there, but it's okay because guess what? Your parts can be interchangeable. All right, so if my 12 right here, I have my 2 right here. How many 10s do I have? What is my missing number? Go ahead and write it down. What is my missing number? You have about 10 seconds to write it down on your paper. Or if you want and you want to make your own number bond that looks like mine, I would love that even more. So 12 is your whole. You have a part and you're trying to find the missing part. Miss Cheney is writing the missing part in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, so I'm writing the missing part. The missing part is 10. Alrighty, friends. So I know that 12 is my whole. And then how many 10s do I have? I have 1 10. So my 10 went right here. How many 1s do I have? I have 2 1s right there, right? All right, so that is what my number bond would look like. Next one. This one's a little bit tricky. Fill in 2 missing parts, all right? So what is your whole? 16. Fill in your 2 missing parts. Fill in your 2 missing parts. You have about 30 seconds. And if you want, I would love if you made your own number sentence, your own equation. Great job. You're figuring out the parts. Miss Cheney is writing down the parts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. How many 10s is it? It's 1 10. How many 1s do you have? You have 6 1s, right? So if your number is 16, 10, 6. So 10, and then you have 6 right there. So if 16 is 10, 6 in the say 10 way, 10, 6, 10, 6. Those are your 2 parts. Next one. All right, this one's a little bit different, all right? So if you have your parts, what would be your whole, right? So if I know that I have 1 10 and 4, what would be my whole? What would be my whole? You have about 10, I'll give you 20 seconds to write it down. What would be the whole? What would be the whole, the missing whole? All right, how many 10s do you have? You have 1 10. Great job. So I'm going to put it right there, right? You have 1 10. How many 1s do you have? You have 4 1s. So put this right there. Uh-oh. So your whole is 14, right? So you have 1 10, which is from here, and then you have 4 1s, which goes right there. So 14, 10, 4, you have 10, and then you have 4. Don't forget that your parts can be interchangeable. It doesn't really matter the order as long as they are the correct parts. All right, have another one. Kind of similar. All right, so you have your 2 parts, you need to find your whole. You have your 2 parts, you need to find your whole. I'm giving you 30 seconds to figure out the whole. To figure out the whole. You have 10, 8. What is your whole? You have about 10 seconds left. Alrighty. How many 10s do you have? Let me try to see if I can do it again like this. How many 10s do you have? You have 1 10. So your 1 10 is right there, right? How many 1s do you have? You have 8 1s. So guess what? That is going to go right here, right? So you have 1 10, 8 1s. 18 is 10 8. 10 8. Those are your parts. Miss Cheney's 8 is a little bit weird because she tried to write it weirdly. All right. So 18 is the same as 10, 8. You have your 10, then you have your 8. All right. Here's one more. All right. So you have your whole. Now you need to figure out your parts. You have your whole. Now you need to figure out your parts. All right. How many 10s? How many 1s? 13 is also 10, 3. What are your parts? I'm giving you 20 seconds because I kind of just gave you the answer by saying it the say 10 way. All right. So 13, how many 10s do I have? How many 10s do I have? I have 1 10, so I'm going to put my 10 right here. All right. There's my 1 10 right there. How many 1s do I have? I have 3 1s, okay? Great job. So my 13, also known as 10 3, so I have 10 and I have 3. All right. If you guys would like to, I would love for you to continue to make your number bonds like that. Saying it the say 10 way helps out a lot, right? Because it basically tells you what your part is. So if I say 13, right? 13 is the same as 10, 3. Here's your 10, here's your 3, right? And look at it. It's the same way like this, all right? So you guys can see you're drawing it and the way that it should be in a number bond, right? So if I'm looking at it and it's like, oh, 13 is the same as 10, 3. That's the pictorial way. So 10, 3. And this is the number bond way. 10, 3. It's literally the same thing, guys. This is all what this module was about. I'm so excited we were able to make that connection. I will miss you guys. I will see you tomorrow. Don't forget to get on Zern. Don't forget to get on Reading Eggs. Do your module packet. And to also get on here and watch my YouTube videos. Don't forget to send us some things so we can make sure that we are able to track your enrichment progress. All right. We miss you. School is sadly over in a few weeks. But I hope you guys are all doing well. All right. Bye, guys.